Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make your digital life easier one tip at a time. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial, how to get rid of desktop icons without deleting them, and we're talking about the latest for 2025. If your desktop is cluttered with icons but you don't want to risk losing important files, this is the video for you. Let's jump right in. First off, why would you want to hide icons instead of deleting them? Well, it's simple. Hiding them keeps your files safe and sound while giving your screen a clean, minimalist look. This is especially useful on Windows 11 or later versions, which are the go-to for most users in 2025. The process is quick and reversible, so no worries about permanent changes. Step 1. Right-click on an empty space on your desktop. You'll see a context menu pop up with various options. Look for View and hover over it. In the sub-menu, you'll find a checkbox that says Show Desktop Icons. Go ahead and uncheck that box. Poof! Your icons will disappear instantly. But wait, what if you're on a Mac? Don't fret, it's just as easy. Right-click on the desktop, select View Options from the menu, and uncheck Show Icons. For both systems, this is a non-destructive way to declutter, and it's perfect for focusing on your wallpaper or creating a distraction-free workspace. Now, a quick tip. If you ever want your icons back, just repeat the same steps and recheck the box. Remember, this won't affect your files at all. They're still there, just hidden. In 2025, with more powerful OS updates, you might even see personalized options for icon management, so keep an eye out for that. There you have it, folks. You've just leveled up your desktop game. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.